So here we go. William Lane Craig's talking about we actually have on our side logic. So I taught logic at the Christian school, Intro to Logic, to 7th and 8th graders. And I had several kids in there from our church. And I said, go tell the pastors in Abundant Life we need to teach logic to young people, right? How do you think that went?
Great.
Right? I mean, do you think logic applies at all in your Christianity? It doesn't. This is a hard road to get paved here, is to get the church to understand that if you can apply intellectual understanding, your heart is going to grow. So logic is essential in today's culture, essential to be able to combat the lies that are going on in our culture, because just arguing isn't going to get there. And the gospel is so logical. So we're going to apply logic. When we do this again, we get back to book 1 and we go through it. We're doing a whole series on logic, because I want to teach you guys some of the basics so that you get it, like what's a premise, what's deduction versus induction. I'm about to show you a deductive argument. What a deductive argument means is if you can show what are called premises statements, and you look at that statement and you go, that's true, and the next one builds on the previous one, then when you get to the conclusion, it's certain. You can't argue it. It's true because the premises are true. Example, Socrates was a man. Maybe not so true anymore today, but if you think Socrates was a man, right? I'll make it easier because now I realize there's confusion here. Socrates was mortal. All mortal people die. Therefore, Socrates died. So the first premise, yeah, he wasn't God, he was just a guy, he's mortal. Mortal people we know got great experience on that. Everybody dies. So the conclusion is certain. There's no debate. We know it's right because the premises are right. Does this make sense?